Hold on to your hat, folks. What if I told you AI just took a quantum leap, not just faster, not just smarter, but thinking? Yes, you heard that right. Google just dropped Gemini 2.5 and it's rewriting the rules of artificial intelligence. Forget everything you thought you knew about AI. This changes everything. In this video, we are diving deep into the mind-blowing features of Gemini 2.5. I'll show you how it actually thinks, how it codes like a pro, and how you can experience this power firsthand. Get ready to witness the future of AI. Stick around because at the end, I will reveal a practical step-by-step guide on how to get started using Gemini 2.5 Pro, so don't miss it. Google just released the experimental version of Gemini 2.5 Pro, and it's not just an upgrade, it's a fundamental shift. We are talking about the AI that reasons, that analyzes, and that makes informed decisions like never before. And the key is enhanced reasoning. Unlike previous model that just classified data, Gemini 2.5 Pro thinks through its responses. Imagine an AI that can break down complex problems step by step, just like human. That's not all. Gemini 2.5 Pro is a coding powerhouse, creating complex web apps, agentic code, and even transforming existing code. It does it all. Plus, it's a multimodal, meaning it can understand and process text, audio, images, video, and code repositories simultaneously. That's true understanding. And get this, a 1 million token context window expanding to 2 million soon. That's like giving like a super long memory, allowing it to handle massive datasets and intricate problems. This is not just incremental improvement. Trust me, this is a revolution in AI. Now let's talk about the performance. This isn't just hype. Gemini 2.5 Pro is dominating industry benchmarks. Look at these numbers. Top on the LM Arena leaderboard, a staggering 18.8 on humanities last exam. When you compare it with the ChatGPT 4.5, it's 3x efficient. And leading in math and science benchmarks like GPQA and AIME 2025. And in coding, it scored an incredible 63.8 on the SWE bench verified mark. This AI is not playing game. Let's see it in action. I'm going to give Gemini 2.5 Pro a complex coding task. Watch how it breaks down the problem, reasons through the step, and generates the code. I will let it finish and show you the output shortly. See how it handles the nuances? This is what true reasoning looks like, and this is just the experimental version. Okay, so how do you get your hands on this power? Right now, the experimental version is available through Google AI Studio for developers, and if you have a Gemini Advanced subscription, you can access it directly through the Gemini app. Here's how. Let's explore the option of Google AI Studio. You just simply sign in using your Google account. You'll find a clean, intuitive interface. Select Gemini 2.5 Pro Experimental and start experimenting with prompts. Try coding, try complex reasoning tasks, push its limits. For Gemini Advanced users, simply open the app and select Gemini 2.5 Pro Experimental from the model options. It's that easy. Experiment with different inputs, see what it can do. And for enterprise users, Gemini 2.5 Pro will be soon available in Vertex AI. Keep an eye out for pricing announcements. Beyond the core features, there are some truly intriguing aspects. The thinking transparency hints at an AI that can explain its reasoning, basically giving us insight into its decision-making process. And the creative writing capabilities, some users are reporting incredible results simulating nuanced characters with high emotional intelligence. This could revolutionize storytelling. Of course, there are challenges. The safety filters can be a bit restrictive, and it's still an experimental model, but the potential is undeniable. We are moving towards context-aware AI agents that can automate complex tasks and solve intricate problems. This is not just about better AI, it's about a fundamental shift in how we interact with technology. Remember, Gemini 2.5 Pro is a powerful tool, but it's crucial to use it responsibly. Verify information and exercise critical thinking, and remember it's still experimental, so expect changes. What do you think about Gemini 2.5? Don't forget to try it for yourself. The future of AI is here and it's thinking now. Are you excited about the future of AI? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful or liked the effort, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel Rapid Grasper for more cutting-edge tech reviews and cybersecurity insights. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe, stay secure, and take care.